Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne's talking about some things that happened in the past, and has he got a phone call, and so we'll catch the video, see what he has to say. He's very passionate about this because this happened to him a while back, and he's talking about forgiveness and other stuff, so you need to check out what he has to say about this. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday.
Minus the woman over there, so. Minus the woman over there, so. What help build our house? Well, get people to build the house. That she get people to build the house. Right? Minus that woman over there, so. Best thing that ever happened in her life. Ever too. I'd say that with no apology. Who God bless, no man, woman, or child shall curse. Ask yourself why I'm so blessed. My soul is at rest. Because I give God all the thanks and praises always. I don't do things because, I want praise from man. The good Lord give me the praise himself. So only can stay there. Stay there. She's loyal to no one for true done. Nobody, nobody. No, I tell you what she's loyal to. She's loyal to this. Money. She has money worries all the time. Like I'm so glad. I'm so glad I took her out of my life, because if I would have continued that route, if I would have continued that route, I swear to God, even bigger disgrace would have been caused down on me, all because I was a damn good human being. I'm like, all right, hey, what, you go over there, so, and let them look after you. Because look at it, them even stop calling her now. Them stop call. Because them realize that she not sell, she not keeping. So them had to park her. Because she was becoming a damn liability / expense to them. Because the same thing how I looked on it. She was more of an expense to me than anything else. I was giving out my own money. And then them bring on people and pay come tax all my teeth £1,000. Like £1,000 her ass, man, with them bright stinking self. The audacity. That woman, I listen, that woman, I don't know if you're still on my page. I don't know if you still watch my page, but I will never forgive you. Lady, I will never ever forgive you. You know why I will never forgive you? It's not because you went on their page. It's for the mere fact you was being so nice to me. You was being so nice to me. I even said to this woman, that's people, I swear to God, at the time, I had a lot of money stacked away. So I said to this woman, I said, listen, if you want your money back, say the word, I will give you your money back. She said, no, Dwayne, you have a good heart. I can tell, good people. I said, all right. Right? I did everything. The same, you see, one thing I would never do is speak negatively about Suzette Williams. Because Suzette Williams, she's a damn good human being. Suzette Williams is a damn good human being. And I say that with no apology. Big up, Suzette. I don't know if you ever passed my page, but big up your damn self, Suzette. You are an amazing woman, and I will continue to say this until the day me dead. I will always say you're a good human being. But you, the other woman, I will never forgive you. Yeah, I will never forgive you. You caused me a lot of anguish. You tried to bring a lot of disrepute to my name. You tried to bring disrepute to my character, all because of £750. Was it 700? Just over £750. Shame on you. And you know how I know that woman knows she was doing wrong? You know how I know she knew she was doing wrong? I couldn't remember this woman's name, but I kept on picking my brain, and then it clicked, oh, her name is this and this. So I went in my WhatsApp. I swear to God, you know what she done? She realized I was messaging her. She blocked me. Imagine that. Imagine me coming to you, me coming to say, what's this about? What's this about? Because when I heard the conversation, got brought back to the forefront, I'm like, oh, the only person who can say this is, I know for a fact it won't be Suzette Williams, because I know for a fact it won't be her. Oh, it's that woman. But I just couldn't remember her name. I couldn't. And then it clicked in my head. Oh yes, that's her name. I went in my WhatsApp. I swear to God. You know, funny thing, if I go in my WhatsApp now, I swear to God, I still have I never deleted anything from that woman. I just didn't, because you know, in case something bad happens, I wanted to have my evidence. Said she said all of these things to me, yet still she went behind my back to try and cause harm to me, harm to my character. That really hurt me. I swear to God. If nothing else hurt me on social media, that woman hurt me. You know why she hurt me? Because she was being so nice to me. She was being so nice. When Gracie and the other one, Bigfoot, come out and said all of these wicked things about me, I called her. I said, listen, do you believe what has been said about me? I said, if you want your money back, just say the word. I will give it back to you. I will bear the losses. I swear to God, I said to a woman, I will bear the losses. Even if I've spent some of the money already, I will still bear the loss, and I'll give you back your money. Because let's be quite frank, I gave back a lot of money to different people, even though I used a lot of that money on the people who it was meant to be given to, right? And people they tried to bring like try to disgrace me. I said, why the hell should I be disgraced because of $100 American or $50 or whatever? I'm like, no, darling. So I gave back a lot of them their money. I did. And you know what funny thing? I even said in one of my things, I said, listen, I cancelled one of the money. If anyone wants their money back, reach out to me. And the ones who didn't reach out to me, they wait for those two to come down on me. Then they started to come out of the woodworks and saying all of these wicked things. I'm like, hold on a minute. You see, if I was like Porty, because listen, I heard some things with Porty, and Porty are going with herself, right? And listen, you see me? You see, because I can't take disgrace. You see, disgrace is something I try to stay away from. Like, I don't know, maybe it's because I wasn't brought up in Jamaica, right? I was brought up in a first world country society, and even if Jamaica has the same laws like England, right? I wasn't brought up in Jamaica. I don't have the type of mindset that a lot of the Jamaicans who was brought up there, to the point they were grown people. I don't have that mindset. You know, I left there very young. I came here I came here very young, so I had to adapt to the English mentality, and I think that's what steered me to the point where I just can't take disgrace. So I gave back a lot of them their money, even if I know I used the money on the people already. I didn't care. I just to save myself the disgrace, I just gave it back to them. And that one woman, lady, you know yourself, I swear to you, God ain't sleeping. God ain't sleeping. I want you to know God is not sleeping. And you was not a good person to me. I felt like you came into my life with the best of intentions, and then you you just faked it. I feel like you were very fake towards me. You were very fake, and I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you. The Lord said ask for forgiveness and or something like that. I don't know if whatever the forgiveness lingo is something. I don't know what it is, but I know forgiveness something. Whatever that forgiveness phrase is, whatever it is, that's what I'm talking about, right? It's just not in my head right now. And you hurt my feelings. You did. I don't care what no one says. And you know, funny thing, I don't care what the other bloggers did. I more care what she did to me. Yeah, I care more what you did to me. You know yourself, lady. I more care what you did to me. Cause that was not a nice thing to do. It was not. I wouldn't do that. Not even to my worstest enemy. And you know what would have been bad, but not so bad. You see, if when I asked her if she wanted back her money, and she said no, Dwayne, da 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 da. You see, she should have come to give me my money. Then I would have given it to her. But no, she waited months. I swear to God, she waited until it was like 10 months. 10 months in, they tried to come out to come and disgrace me. So my only logic to what was happening, when the whole saga came out, she went behind my back and went over to Bigfoot. I was having conversation with Bigfoot, and Bigfoot held that ammo. They held the ammo in. They held into that ammo until the right time to come out and try and bring disgrace to me. You need to learn to detach from those bleeding hearts. Now, damn star, I'm good now, man. I'm good now. I swear to you, God, I'm good. I only called because I wanted you guys to hear what did I need the room for. Like, that's the only reason. I don't really care. Like, I'm good. Damn star, I'm good. Listen, I'm good. Like, I'm good. I'm good. I really am good. Why'd you guys